Hello everyone and welcome to WP Food Manager. In today's video, we're going to talk about WP Food Manager plugin. I'm going to show you the demo version of it. So I hope you are interested, and as it is new for you, let's explore this amazing plugin together. So let's together explore WP Food Manager website and to see what actually WP Food Manager plugin does. So WP Food Manager is a free food management plugin for WordPress, and it's a leading WordPress food menu that will take your online food business to another level. So WP Food Manager offers a comprehensive solution for restaurants, cafes, food delivery services, and any other food-related establishment. It aims to streamline your operations, enhance customer experience, and also boost your online visibility. So with the help of WP Food Manager plugin, you can create your food management website, and it will contain your food menu, your filters like searches, forums, and etc. Now let's explore the features that it has to see what advantages do you have with this plugin, with WP Food Manager plugin. So it is fully responsive. What it means? So with saying fully responsive, it means that it perfectly fits in any device, like including mobile phones, tabs, PCs, and etc. It is fully customizable plugin. So with the help of this plugin, you can customize your food menus as per your requirements. It is SEO friendly, so it makes easy for your target audience to find you online, like food ordering, table reservations, and more. You can also edit your fields with the help of this plugin. You can submit like foods. It has multiple reviews, and one of the important features that it has that I want to mention, it is multi-language support. So what does it mean? So the plugin that you prefer, so the WP Food Manager plugin you can use also in your preferred language, as it is compatible with third-party translation plugins. And here the support, they have a very big support team, and they will reach out to you within 24 hours. So this is the features that you can use, and this is the advantages that you will have during the use of your plugin. So during the work with WP Food Manager plugin, let's now go to our demo website to see what we have there. So guys, this is the demo version of WP Food Manager. So here we can see that it is our food listing page, and here we have filters through which we can search for our food, the food that we want. With the help of keywords, we can choose a food category, whether we want it to be a beverage, breakfast, maybe dinner, healthy salad, and etc. We can also choose a food type. Here we can see that we have here 3 food types: non-vegetarian, vegan, and vegetarian. So this is it, and you can also add food from add food page, and you don't need to go to back end of your website. You can add it from front end. You can see that here you can we have food details. We need to here fill the required fields in order to add a food. Here you can see that we have the food title, food category, food type, ingredients, nutrition, description, also the regular price, sale price, is it out of stock or not, and etc. So basically, guys, this is our food dashboard, and from here we can manage our fruits from the front end. Like we can here edit our fruits, duplicate or delete just the food that we want. And also I want to speak about these filters, this filtering. So this is our keywords, and for which we can search for the food that we want. And also here we have order by, so we can order our foods like by their titles. We can see that it is food title, and here we have ascending and descending. What does it mean? So ascending order means that the selected items will be sorted in increasing order by their selected criteria. So in this case, it is food title. And also we have here descending. On the other hand, descending means that the items will be sorted in decreasing order, also selected by their criteria, in this case by food title. So guys, let's also a little bit talk about our food detail page. So let's go, for example, with strawberry milk and speak about our detail page. So here we have the name of our food. Also here we have the price of our food, the brief description that we gave to our food. We at the bottom we have food ingredients, so what we need to make the food. Here we have it. So here you can see that we need fresh strawberries, whole milk, sugar, vanilla extract, and etc. We have food nutritions, and in there we included our nutritions, for example, calories, protein, sugars, and etc. Here we can see that we have our food category. So we created a food category from the backend, and here we added our food to the category of beverage and dessert. You can see it from here. We have food type. We also created several food types on the backend, and here we also choose a food type for our strawberry milk. So it is vegetarian, you can see. And here we have food tags, and basically I mentioned before that these are keywords for our food. For example, strawberry milk is also drink, milk, and it includes also strawberry. So whenever we will search for example, drink, milk, or strawberry, or just by strawberry drink, the strawberry milk will appear. So this was pretty much it for our food detail page. This is what we include in there. So this was it for today's video for WP Food Manager. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's explore another videos, another tutorials together soon. See you in the next tutorial.